Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how I do my roasted whole chicken. So I'm just going to show you how I do my herb butter. So I've got some softened butter here. It's about 25 grams or 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, I've got rosemary and thyme. So I'm just going to cut this rosemary up. Just to get it smaller. Okay, and then I'm just going to put some thyme. Okay, so just one more thing. I've got the half of a lemon left over from my brine. Just going to zest some of it. You can see the lemon zest there. Okay, so try not to get the rind in the zest because that will give it a bitter taste. Okay, so that's my lemon zested. Okay, and that's my butter softened. Just mixing in the lemon zest with the thyme and the rosemary. And this is the salted butter. It's lightly salted, so if you want to try this you can use unsalted if you wish. So I'm just going to put this in some plastic wrap, then rest it in the freezer for about 5 or so minutes until it gets firm. That way I can slice it. Just have a little bit left in the bowl. Okay, so just going to roll this into a log. Okay, and that's my herb butter done. We're just going to put this in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. And when it's firm, I'll be back to slice it up and to roast my chicken. See you in the next clip. Okay, so welcome back. I've taken the herb butter out of the freezer. So I'm going to show you how I slice it. I've got my roaster here. It's from Mark Charles Misilli. And I got some cooking spray. It's meant to be non-stick, but I like to spray this anyway. And this is my chicken, so let's get started. Okay. I did put some smoked paprika on the outside of the chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to add these in here. Just going to take out the ones that I stuffed the chicken with. Just taking all the green herbs, the ginger, garlic, and I've already added some lemon and oranges to it. Okay. Okay, so that's the infuser. I'm just going to add a little bit of water on the inside so it helps steam. So just put that to one side. Okay, so I'm just going to unroll the butter that I made. That's what it looks like. You can see the herbs on the inside and the zest as well. So just going to slice some up. Okay, and that's how it looks. So I'm just going to save this little piece for later. I'm going to make some garlic mash, so I will put the rest of that butter with it. Okay, so chicken, just going to put some of this underneath the skin and press it down. When it melts, it'll make the skin nice and crispy, and it gives the chicken a nice flavor. Okay, so that's done. That's my chicken. I just like to press them in a little bit so they stay put. Okay, so just going to put this on the pan. I don't want to touch it with my chicken hands. Look at my previous video. I brined this chicken. It is a chicken I got on sale. It's a halal one. It was on offer for £2.68, so that's a good deal. Okay, so I'm just going to now put this in the oven uncovered to roast, and we'll be back to check on it in a few minutes. Okay, so we're just checking on the chicken. Just going to turn it around. That's my garlic roasting for my mashed potatoes. Look, looks lovely already. It's been in for about 25 minutes, so I'm going to cook it for about another half an hour, and I'll check it in that time. Okay, just checking on our chicken. So nice and brown. Just going to take it out of the oven. Okay, just gonna let it stay and cool. Once it's cooled, then I'll carve it up. Hello and welcome back. So our chicken is out of the oven now. It's cool. It's nice and brown. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it up now. So put that here. Just going to use those drop-ins to make a gravy. Okay, so just going to cut our chicken up. Okay, now to cut the breast up. Okay, so this is the leftover lemon that I zested to make the herb butter. Just gonna use these as garnish. Well, white potatoes that I boiled and then just put in the pan with the chicken. You can see the chicken roasted lovely in this roaster. And that's my roasted whole chicken. It's cooked nicely and it's juicy because I brined it. So thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!